Welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe. We're gonna get into this father explaining why he beat down white man that attacked his son.
Just like you see that picture, there are phones out there. They used one of those phones to call me. I pulled up. When I pulled up, the guy was still there. I went into the pool area to talk to the guy by putting his hands on my son. The guy immediately jumped up, came toward me, called me, swung at me. I ducked him and I beat his ass. So it's not a question of who's going to win a fight. I don't need his name for a fight. That's already done. He don't want to see me again. But Howie, if you do, I'm in McKinney, and we can see if you going to have better results than he did. But don't come on the page with all of this shit. How you automatically defend a racist because I know you're a racist. Monkey this, monkey that, chimp this, chimp that. I'm only a 6-hour drive away. You could come on and get it too.
Spoken like a real man. Peace and blessings, all praises due to the Most High. I released a video that shows a black father coming to the defense of his black son after his son was bullied and assaulted by a large white man at a pool. Now, you heard him say he is in McKinney, Texas. We all know, I think, if I'm not mistaken, that as well, close to where the Carmelo Anthony situation went on. So we know once again that this is a hotbed of racism. Now, he was responding to someone under his post that said, you know, he would come and beat him and blah, blah, blah. After watching him beat the brakes off that other man who assaulted his child. Now, if you're not familiar with the incident, let me show you the full video, well, the fullest video I could find of the entire incident. Just watch.
That's on the same fucking darkness pool, bro. I'm fucking running out from here. You just run.
Chill. What the fuck? He owns something. No, he owns something.
Call it, bro.
I guess I was cussing or something.
Hey, bitch. Fucking, hey, back up. Don't fucking back up. Hey, stand on 10 toes. Pull up right now. Pull up right now.
Look at my location.
Pull up right now.
Look at my location. That's it.
Yeah, pull up right now.
That's it. That's it.
Now, that is the young man calling his father, and you heard the white man using racial slurs, talking about stand 10 toes down, N-word.
Hey, nothing crazy. His daughter here, but don't do nothing but stuff. Like
it's cute. He's standing over there, though. Shut up. Come over here.
No, okay, keep quiet. Okay, no.
Come here. Come on.
No, just be quiet.
Come on, jump your ass right now.
No, this is a grown ass man.
Hey, you open that door.
This is a grown ass man. No, it's a grown ass man.
We got something for your ass too. Let's go.
Somebody, what the fuck? Who the fuck is this?
I'm after you.
Y'all need to go.
That's all you gotta say. You ain't got to cuss it up. She's 9 years old.
Bro, we need to go. No.
Fucking shit out of
No, Aiden. No. No.
Quick spoiler alert. Just like you see that picture, there are phones out there. They used one of those phones to call me. I pulled up. When I pulled up, the guy was still there. I went into the pool area to talk to the guy by putting his hands on my son. The guy immediately jumped up, came toward me, called me, swung at me. I ducked him and I beat his ass. So it's not a question of who's going to win a fight.
The cat really lucky, man, that he still can breathe this morning. You know, he's lucky he didn't get unalive, you know, putting your hands on somebody's kid. You know, that's a no-no.
I don't need his name for a fight. That's already done. He don't want to see me again. But Howie, if you do, I'm in McKinney, and we can see if you gonna have better results than he did. But don't come on the page with all of this shit. How you automatically defend a racist because I know you're a racist. Monkey this, monkey that, chimp this, chimp that. I'm only a 6-hour drive away. You could come on and get it too.
I'm only a 6-hour drive away, and you can come on and get it too. And this incident, once again, highlights something that we always see. White men and white women trying to bully children when there are no adults around. Best believe if that man was there when that white man started standing up and cursing and threatening the young man, he wouldn't have done none of that. And evidently, it sounds like the children were out being children, teenagers, talking like teenagers, and the white guy got offended because maybe they said some language. And like the girl said, well, maybe, I don't know what's wrong with him, maybe because we was cussing. And then he gets up saying that she's 9 years old and all of these things. Hey, when your child is out in public, there is no blueprint for what they're going to hear. So that's first of all. So he was.
Yeah, even though she's 9 years old hearing them cussing, she sit there and hear him say niggas and monkeys and apes and all that shit. So what's the difference?
Once again, just use that as an excuse because he wanted his whiteness to enjoy the pool area alone. He could not fathom having to swim in that same water. Remember, they had segregated pools and segregated beaches a long time ago. But he went up to the young man, and, you know, once again, they were respectful. Hey, man, you all right, man, you ain't got to cuss at us, though. You know, but he still, oh, don't run, stand 10 toes down. And the young buck won't backing down either. But he immediately got on his phone. Was like, Pop, pull up, pull up. You see my location. I ain't nothing crazy, but pull up, pull up, pull up. Pops pulled up. Pink man was talking that crazy stuff, and Pops put them things on. You know, he couldn't even get up. He couldn't even get up. The worst part about it is he got beat in front of his 9-year-old daughter.
Yeah, he's lucky his 9-year-old daughter didn't see him get his life taken. But let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like and subscribe. Until the next one. Peace. And shout out to Taylor House Publishing.